Hey guys, welcome back to S&S RC Plane. We got a jet. We got the E-Flite A-10 Thunderbolt 2, a Warthog. We got lights, flaps, dual rudder, twin 64mm EDFs, 11 bladed fans. It has shock absorbing struts for the landing gear. It's a 6S system. It's the bind and fly, so it's a 6-channel receiver. So let's get right to it. Oh, this thing is beautiful. Look at this. That is nice. I like how this just plugs right in. That is nice. Lots of detail. Rivets. There's the stickers. The paint's all nice. The rivets are really nice. That is beautiful. What else we got in here? Let's go right for the meat and potatoes, guys. What everybody wants to see. It's not the cockpit either. Look at the detail on that cockpit. That is really nice. Really nice. Now the meat and potatoes. I can't believe I let this sit for over 2 years. Oh, look at that gun. Oh, that's so sweet. That is so nice. The details on this are incredible. Oh, I got one little foobar mark. But this moved with me to 2 different houses. Wow, is that nice. That is pretty. We got a pretty big battery tray. Smart battery plug. IC5. You can use an adapter if you don't want to use a smart battery. Let's see what that looks like. How's the cockpit fit? Doesn't click, but oh, that's pretty nice, guys. Pretty nice. Break the box. What else do we got? Elevator. These are digital servos, guys, with ball links. The rivets are incredible on this. I could see why the price is over $400. It is pretty nice. Dual rudders. Oh, get it out, get it out. Got a left and a right, or right and a left. Even those have beautiful rivet lines on them. Digital servos, ball links. Beautiful. And then, two different kinds. Well, here's your missiles. Removable. I like that. Snap in removable. What else we got? I believe there's some other missiles too, of course. More removable missiles. I like when they don't glue on and you can take them off or leave them on. Yeah, they got them in there good. Other missiles or tanks, I'm not sure. Must be missiles. Find out when I put it together. Alright, that's all of them, guys. Let's get this out of the way. I'm hoping there's a bag of bolts somewhere. Oh, what's the name of this, guys? Somebody can tell me. Goes on the bottom of the fuselage, hanging off the cockpit. Is that for radar? I know there's a name for that. You guys know what that is? One other thing I wanted to show you guys on the bottom of this Warthog. You open up the panel, and there's your AR637TA. And on it, there's already a bind plug in it. It says Safe Select, remove plug prior to initiating transmitter bind if you want Safe Select. On the other side, it says AS3X only. Leave plug in while initiating transmitter bind if you want AS3X only. So, just wanted to let you guys know that. Well, guys, there it all is laid out. I think this is going to be a very simple build. So we'll throw it together real quick. First thing you got to do is elevator, rudder, elevator, elevator. Grab rudder. Remember to match your colors. Yellow to yellow, brown to brown. That's matched up. Rudder. That one's not labeled, coming out of the fuselage. The other two are labeled elevator. Match your colors. Got little locking clips on these, so you don't have to worry about gluing them or taping them. And dry fit it. Alright, you're going to want to add glue here, and here, and here. It'll end up gluing here, here, and here, and some glue on the back of here. And I don't think I'm going to put any glue here because that's the tab in case I do ever have to get it out. I'm going to use foam tack. All right, let's glue this baby. Put something there, liberal amount. Put something there. Put some here. I'm gonna let that set up for a minute, guys. Then I'll stick it to it, pull it back apart, stick it to it, pull it back apart probably 2 or 3 times. And then I'll hold it together. And then stick it together one final time. And the excess will wipe off. Next, guys, we got the rudders. Dual rudders. So we'll take it. We're going to plug it in. Match your colors. Yellow to yellow, brown to brown. And it's got to go in the slot. Back in the slot. Just like that. So now we got the rudders on both sides. So match up your colors, plug it in, guys. Stick it back in the slot. Dry fit it. Now you're supposed to have stickers that cover the wire and cover your servos. But the stickers weren't in my kit. Whether they fell out when I moved, I don't know. I doubt it. I think they just weren't put in the kit. So I'm gonna use foam tack. I'll put a little here. Some here. Some on the end. I'll put some underneath. Then we're going to let it set up for a minute. Push it together, pull it apart a few times. Then we'll do the same to the other side. And there we go, guys. There's both sides glued on. Very simple build. All we got left is 4 screws for the wing. Alright, now we got the wing, guys. This thing is awesome. There we go, popped right in. Look at that. Now we got 2 screws here, 2 screws here, 2 millimeter, just 4 of them. I am curious how easy these are going to catch. Oh, right away. They're catching right away. There we go. 3rd one, and 4th one. Guys, always remember to crisscross tighten your screws. Just tightens everything on evenly. Should always crisscross. Just like if you're changing a tire. Okay, next we got the missiles. We got the double missile guys on the outside. Then we have probably a rocket launcher is next. They just pop right in and slide backwards. Then we have the yellow tipped missile. 3rd one in. That one fit better. And then the green one goes to the inside. Yep, slides right in. We got the double on the outside. And we got the rocket launcher, maybe. If anybody else knows what exactly these are, then the yellow, go ahead and tell me in the comments. I would like to know. Then we got the green one. There we go. Bleep bloop it in the comments. And there she is, guys. Beautiful jet. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys. Till next time.